Can this new PC I built run 2 tabs in Google Chrome? Couple quick specs, we have an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X, an Asus RG Strix RTX 4080, 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 6000 MHz. And yes, the RAM is running at the advertised speed with the XMP profile enabled. Alright, 2 tabs open, let's try opening up YouTube. Oh my. I really wanted to do the explosion filter, but this is the only one I found. Alright, let's actually benchmark this system, see what score we get. 10 minutes later, we ended up with a score of 28,579. That's pretty good. Follow and like for more.